Malalaman kung talagang merong unexplained wealth ang Vice President kung hindi natin mabubuksan yung kanyang mga bank records.
Transactions do not equate to wealth. Transactions do not equate to net worth. Especially if tinatali natin siya sa SALN, sinasabi nila na unexplained wealth. They were basing it for 20 years, for one. Pangalawa, they couldn't pinpoint exactly bakit mo nasabi may unexplained. Alin dito sa properties yung unexplained. Third, and if I may elaborate from our memo, if you look at the articles of impeachment, it presupposes that the Vice President earned 30 million over a span of 20 years. They did not think about the Vice President not being in public office from 2013 to 2016. They didn't think about the income that could have, been generated by being married to a lawyer who had his own law office. It was basically a conjecture, speculation, conclusion of law and fact to say, biglang, uy, may unexplained wealth po dito. Pag kaya po pumunta sa piskal at ang dala lang natin dun ay puro paratang, wala man lang supporting document. What will the fiscal do? Dismiss the case outright. And that is why we're saying, fishing expedition ito kasi hindi mo man lang mapinpoint kung anong transaction yung sinasabi mong nag-amass ang Vice President natin. Anong taon na nag-amass yung Vice President natin ng ill-gotten wealth or unexplained wealth. Merong allegation ng unexplained wealth pero wala naman pong nakasuporta ng mga documents para makita natin ano ba yung basis na naging allegation. So sa amin, para masabi nilang nagkaroon ng unexplained wealth was really just the fact na yung SALN niya ay lumaki from 2007 to 2025, which sa aming palagay does not show any factual allegation whatsoever, except for the fact that it grew bigger over a span of 20 years.